Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in perspective so the form reads as three-dimensional. Start with a horizon and one vanishing point, then draw a vertical stem for the J. This is your primary axis. Once done, add a parallel offset to create thickness. Connect ends to form a rectangular block. You mark the light source now, because knowing where light comes from determines edge bevels and cast shadows later. Make sure to keep lines light for easy edits. Next, you convert that block into the recognizable J shape by carving volume. First, round the front edge into a half cylinder so the form reads curved in space. This preserves perceived thickness. Then cut the hook. Draw the inner curve aligned to your vanishing point so foreshortening stays correct. Once done, define the top, side, and underside planes, because separating planes makes shading predictable and helps you place highlights and core shadow accurately. To finish, you resolve light and detail so the J reads solid. Start shading. Block in the core shadow on the underside, add a cast shadow on the ground, and place a small highlight where the light hits the rim. Once done, refine line weight. Use heavier strokes on lower and outer edges, lighter strokes on top, because that contrast sells weight. Finally, check the silhouette and proportions. If the hook looks off, adjust the inner curve and perspective lines for clean readability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.